girl. Hey, so before I actually install this wig, I want to talk about this new air lace wig from MyFirstWig. So again, this is their new air lace wig. It is supposed to mimic a scalp. It is also supposed to be a softer lace frontal wig, and it's also supposed to give a better meltdown look. Also, this wig comes with a pre-plucked hairline, and the knots already come bleached. So basically, baby, this is a wig that you put on and you go. So very, very little effort is needed to get a natural look with this particular wig. So I'm excited. I'm ready to see what it's going to give, okay? Also, this wig fits really good on my head. I don't need to do any type of glue to secure this wig down. Definitely can be a glueless install. So just zoom in real quick and take a look at this pre-plucked hairline. One thing I will say about MyFirstWig is they have really stepped it up these last couple of years with their wigs. I have seen the most improvement with their wigs over the last couple years. So I'm going to give MyFirstWig their props because they doing their thing. What I'm doing here, and it's not necessarily something that you have to do, just what I like to do in case there's a black dot or two that has not been bleached. I go in with a little bit of my foundation powder just to tint the lace a little bit and give you even more of a seamless meltdown look. So here is a side-by-side comparison of what the lace looks like without any foundation powder, which is to my left, and to the right is what the lace looks like with powder. So basically you can get away without adding any powder if you did not want to, because either way, this type of lace, this new air lace, is going to melt into your skin, and the hairline has been plucked to perfection, so you don't have to go in and do any plucking. So I'm going to go ahead and pull out some of the hairs around the hairline just to give you guys a little bit more visual on how this hairline looks. And of course, because I don't use any type of glue to secure my wigs down, pulling out the baby hairs around the lace and applying the holding spray directly on the lace helps avoid your hairline from getting crunchy and hard. So that's just a quick tip. Also, if you want, you can use like a makeup brush or something to be more precise with applying the spray, because sometimes the spray can go everywhere except for on your lace. And I am just going to continue doing this all the way around until I secure the wig completely, and I'll be back. So now let's get into the parting space on this 13x6 lace frontal wig. I'm going to first start off by parting straight down the middle. As you can see, it's a clean parting down the side, and it's clean there too. So again, this is one of those wigs where you literally can put it on and go. You don't have to secure it down with any type of glue. You don't have to do any plucking, any bleaching. Nothing needs to be done to this wig besides like adding some heat for your style. So I'm going to be doing the first look on a side part and no baby hairs in this tutorial, because I really want to see how much of a natural look this wig is going to give, because the texture is already given like a blowout. It's giving that. So I want to see how much more natural I can make this wig look. hair textures is just like the best, especially when it comes to a bob. To me, it just gives a more fuller look for bobs. So get into this wig, y'all. Look at the hairline. Oh my God, it blends so good into my skin. You cannot tell me this is not my hair. Like literally, you cannot see the lace at all. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish straightening the hair, and I'll be back. Do y'all see how much body this wig has? Do y'all see a lace on this wig? I don't. It looks like it is literally growing out of my scalp. So one thing that I wish I would not have done to this wig is apply a wax stick, because it flattened the wig too much, and I absolutely loved the look of the wig having like the poofiness, the thickness at the roots. Girl, that just lets you know that it is really your hair, because a natural blowout and a wrap, girl, definitely 2004, 2007 vibes for sure. So yeah, when I get ready to reinstall this wig again, I'm not going to apply a wax stick on top, because I don't want this wig super flat. I want the volume at the top. So I'll keep that in mind the next time. But y'all, this wig is so beautiful, and it feels so soft. Like, look at that. Okay, so this is look one with the side part, and it literally, as I continue to say, look like it is growing out of my scalp. It looks like my hair, but it is like flat, and I don't like that. I do wish I would have kept the volume in this wig, because this wig deserves the volume. So anyways, I'm going to go ahead and move on to the next style, which is simply just parting the hair straight down the middle, because I really couldn't decide on if I wanted to do a side part or a middle part. So I said, you know what, this wig is a bust down. It can do either way, and it definitely can be a middle part wig. So yeah, middle part wig will be the final look to this style. And again, no baby hairs, just a real clean, natural hairline. Okay, so the bust down middle part is definitely giving natural vibes too. Look at the hairline, y'all. This hairline is plucked to perfection. And the simple fact that I cannot even see the lace on this wig is crazy. I have never had a wig that looked like this, that it looks like it is literally growing out of my scalp. Like, this is crazy. This is definitely a bob wig that you need in your collection because it's not here to play no games at all. So what I'm doing right here is just adding a little bit of holding spray just to give a little bit more smoothness to the hairline. But I really wish I wouldn't have did that because this wig does not need that. This wig gives all the natural vibes that I need or it should be giving. So adding product or adding too much product to this hair, I feel like takes away from the natural look of the wig. As you can see, like when I added that spray, I mean, it gave it more like a pressed out look, but I don't know, like I just like the original look with no product on the hair. And the volume is still there even though I did add the wax stick to the side part. I made sure with the middle part I did not add any type of product. So yes, girl, this is definitely a wig you need in your collection because it's going to give natural vibes all day long. This will definitely be my go-to wig for the summer because it is just such a beautiful wig. The thickness and the fullness and the hairline on this wig is like no other. And y'all know I have tried a bunch of wigs and I can honestly say this is like in the top 5 for sure. So anyways, all the details will be below in the description bar. They is having a Mother's Day sale right now, so make sure you check them out. I'll see you girls in the next video. Bye.